Hi friends! Today we're drawing a cute little monkey and coloring it with glitter. Let's have fun and start drawing!
Glitty Art English.
First, I draw the backside of the monkey. Then I draw the face shape, followed by the eye and the mouth. Next, I draw one ear. After that, I draw the body shape. Then the two legs and two little hands. Finally, I draw the tail with a nice curl. Now it's time to color. First, I color the eye using glitter black. Then I color the face and the ear with glitter gray. Finally, I color the whole body and the tail with glitter maroon. While I color the monkey's body, here's something fun to know. Monkeys are very smart and playful animals. They can use tools, solve puzzles, and even learn tricks. Some monkeys live in trees, and they use their long tails to help them balance and swing from branch to branch. Look how cute our monkey looks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in the next awesome drawing video. Bye-bye!